Pag nanalo daw kayo, ano ang gagawin nyo pag may possible impeachment complaint lamang kay VP Sara?
Will you support it or not?
Bakit mo yan i-impeach? Kailangan may betrayal of public trust. Depende sa complaint. Ano ako, tanga? Hindi ako oto-oto. I am top 10 in my class in UP. I was a law professor. I wrote 10 books. I have a Harvard degree. My father summa cum laude. I am not oto-oto. Hindi ako sasama sa alon. I will not go along just to get along. You show me a complaint and you show me the evidence and I will be the judge of that.
On that note,
Although, ayoko ng stance niya na pro-China sila. Kahit ako, anti-China to ka talaga. I want to stand on our sovereignty and the arbitral ruling. And that is one good thing, the only one good thing that President BBM has done that I can see. He is standing up for the arbitral ruling and that the occupation of China of our West Philippine Sea must stop now.